Folks, DIY at its best. Look how you like my hold down strap. Yep, brand new EverStart battery, 65N, and it fit perfect. They had a 34 in here before, and it didn't even hardly provide much juice. But we got 850 cold cranking amps, so this 2.4 has no mercy. That's right, this thing's gonna crank over like a champ. 520 is the date, so it's only about a month old. Vice about the 6-month-old ones they had in there. So, anywho, I went ahead and I had to clean the terminals up, and I got dielectric grease on this one right here. This one here, the bolts seen better days, and I don't have one on hand that will work right now, so I cleaned this one up, but I think it's got a few more days left in it. Anyway, I had to end up doing this because this has been closed so much that I ended up having to use this in between the gap here to widen it up so that it will squeeze tighter and close tighter, because otherwise it's been squeezed so much that it is no longer tight on there. But this should tighten it up because I sawed that and made it wider, so when I put the bolt on it should hold pretty good. But anyway, yeah, Ford Ranger Rufus, getting a new battery in him. Didn't really stop to make a video on everything that I did. I'll just tell you what I did and put it here on Facebook because, quite frankly, I just want to get the job done. So anyway, maybe I'll post a video later of me actually starting it. The old moment of truth. Woo! Let's see. Always try to get the channel. Go to my favorite channel. There we go. Anyway, running like a champ. Maybe it did need a new battery. Holy cow. I think the old 34 or 35 that was in here is definitely the problem. Started up running better. I think that battery was having issues. But anyway, got it running. All it needed was a battery. 5-year-old Wally World battery replaced with a brand new Wally World battery. Let's see what we can get out of this one. One thing I did do is I went and these right here, I tightened these up. They were loose. I cleaned them out a little bit and then tightened these up. Same thing over here. And then of course everything else is cleaned up. And that's made a world of difference. This engine's running even smoother than it used to. So I'm going to assume that that old wrong battery and a few other maintenance items like the terminals needed to be addressed. And it looks like I've cleared up some electrical gremlins that I wasn't expecting. So good on it. Got it going good. Happy runner now. No, folks, I came out and checked and did a little bit more checking out, and it dawned on me while I was looking at the video that my gas gauge is now working. So the radio's coming on like it's supposed to, and the engine seems to be running a little bit better. So I'm gonna say that I was chasing a lot of electrical gremlins, and it came down to just the battery on this old beast. So yeah, gas gauge, I couldn't believe it. Gas gauge used to be on E all the time, would never move. And now it's working. So definitely needed a battery. Radio's working like a champ. AC's running good. So yeah, even this old 1997 Ranger likes to have good juice, just like Ford Edges and every other vehicle these days. So yeah, Fixed a lot of little things in this just by putting a new battery in it. Pretty good stuff.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.